Yeah, hi there. These comments are for ET, and I am Michael, the founder, owner, and the materials writer for all of your lessons at the 7-step system to pass the TOEFL IBT, and you completed pronunciation lesson number 18. You're practicing the L, the R, and the flap consonant sounds. All right, so let's listen to your voice recording.
Lesson number 18. Number 1. Lean. Rear.
Rear.
Better. Number 2.
When you say number two, two.
Luggage.
Rugged.
Other.
Okay.
Number 3. Right. Light. Committed.
Perfect.
Number 4. Rim. Limb.
It's limb.
Middle.
Not middle, but middle. Middle.
Number 5. Pill.
Beer. Butter.
Number 6. Lead.
When you say number, not 6, but number 6.
Read. Reader.
Okay, lead, read, reader.
Number 7. Latches. Ratchet. Baited.
Batted.
Number 8. Load.
Love.
Road.
Rough. That GH sounds actually an F there, as in the word laugh. Rough.
Cutest. Number 9. Seal. Sear. Harder.
Okay.
Exercise 1. Settings are. Number 2. Return R.
Okay.
Number 3. Display L.
Okay.
Number 4. Added R. D. Number 5. Surface
Surface, not surface. Surface.
R. Number 6. Placing L.
Good.
Number 7. Getting it. Number 8. Grinds R.
Grinds.
Number 9. Line L. Number 10. Gather T. Number 11. Very R.
And pronounce the V with more vibration. Very.
Number 12. Animal L. Number 13. Hidden Earth. Number 14. Retina Art.
Okay.
Number 15. Lily L. Number 16. Petty R. Number 17. Arrangement R. Number 18. Click L. Number 20. Sitting.
Okay.
30. Number 31. Front R. 22. Blackfish L. Number 23. Platypus.
Yeah, and 22, the word's actually blackish. Not blackfish, but blackish.
L. Number 24, prop, R.
Okay.
Number 25, bill, L.
And that word's actually bill. Bill.
Number 26, ladder,
Number 26, you mean.
R. Number 27, correct, R.
All right.
Number 28, lead, L. Number 29,
The word is more live, vivir, you know, in Spanish, but live.
long, L. Number 30, graphic, R.
Okay. Try that word again, 30. 30. Okay, let's keep going. You're going to do some voice recordings now.
Exercise. More than 36 years after he made history as the first American to orbit the Earth, Senator John H. Glenn Jr. will return to space as part of a multinational crew with the launch of the Space Shuttle Discovery in late October. Number 2. Scientific endeavors on the STS-95 mission are not limited to furthering an understanding of the human body, but also will expand our understanding of the closest star to our planet, the Sun, and how it affects life on Earth.
Okay.
Number 3. The Achilles tendon is a large tendon located in the back of the leg that inserts into the heel.
All right.
Number 4. Starting in the late 1970s, I developed
1970s. Starting in the late 1970s.
techniques that integrated the experimental rigor of the laboratory with what little was then known about parrot communication in nature.
In nature.
Number 5. Although a few other species of bats move readily on the ground and some take up from the ground, no other species possess
Species. No other species possess
the extreme territorial agility
terrestrial agility
and jumping ability to up
and ability.
by bats.
Okay, let's try that last one, number 5 again. You had a lot of trouble with a lot of words in there. You ready? Although a few other species of bats move readily on the ground, and some take off from the ground, no other species possess the extreme terrestrial agility and jumping ability of vampire bats. Okay, now let's take a look at the voice recording, the paragraph.
Voice recording exercise 2.
Again, voice recording. Don't forget that V, E.T. You have to voice recording, not voice recording, but voice recording.
Muscle strength, stability of the muscle to create force. This shown by how much weight can be lifted during one effort. This is important in sports. Such as track and field and football, as well as routine activities such as lifting groceries or moving furniture. Muscular strength is the ability of the muscle to create force. This is shown by how much weight can be lifted during one effort. This is important in sports such as track and field and football, as well as routine activities such as lifting groceries or moving furniture.
Okay, so you did it a couple of times. Let's read this one.
Lesson number 18.
Yeah, let's do this one more time. Okay, here's a paragraph. You ready? Muscular strength is the ability of the muscle to create force. This is shown by how much weight can be lifted during one effort. This is important in sports such as track and field and football, as well as routine activities such as lifting groceries or moving furniture. All right, so there you go. So on this one, I think the R, the L, and the flat sound, I think the R sound, you're probably 60% there. I think you did better on the other two sounds, but overall, excuse me. Overall, you're making progress there, so thank you for completing the exercise. Now, you sent me a whole bunch of voice recordings today. I might have missed one of them. If I missed a voice recording, didn't get to it, send it to me again tomorrow, and I'll listen to it. All right?